Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are very fine. Today, we are going to discuss one more topic in GK, that is branches of science. But this chapter is not given in your GK book. This chapter has been taken from the reference book named I Want to Know. Science is a very vast subject. Okay, science deals about the surrounding, okay, about our atmosphere and what is present in our atmosphere, what is the reason behind the phenomena which is occurring in our daily life. And this is so vast, it cannot be understood in a single subject. So that's why science has been divided into many branches, and under that branch only the single topic or single about a same type of things are studied. So in this video we are going to know the different type of different branches of the science that deals with the different aspect. So without any delay, let's start. First is aeronautics. Aeronautics is that branch of the science that deals with the flight and the rockets. You all are knowing, whenever we are flying in a flight, there is a various thing, what type of engine is there, what type of material which is used in the flight so that it can be lighter, how much fuel should be there so that it can be sufficient to run the flight, okay, before and after taking off and landing the flight. So all these things are related to the aeronautics, okay. They are studying about these, and that's why they are able to manufacture and they are able to design the different type of aircrafts and the rockets also, okay. So to study about the flight is known as aeronautics, okay. It not only deals with the designs but also how to operate the flight, okay, and which type of machines should be there, okay. So all these things are related with the aeronautics. Next is bacteriology. Okay, you all are knowing in our daily life there is a various type of bacteria which is a type of microbes. Some bacteria are very harmful, which cause different type of diseases like cholera, whereas some of the bacteria is useful also, like lactobacillus, which is present in the milk. So how do we know which of the bacteria is good or bad, and how they are growing, and how we can prevent from that? So all these things are related to the bacteriology. It is the subject that deals only and only about the bacteria. We can identify, we can categorize about as comparing the similarities and dissimilarities, okay. Like suppose the same type of bacteria which is harmful and their way of growing and reproducing and replicating are same, they are kept in a single category. So to know about each and every bacteria, how they used to reproduce, how they used to replicate, which type of substance are present in the bacteria, whether they are good for the health or not. So these things are related to the bacteriology, okay. So simply in one sentence, all about the bacteria, we are studying about the bacteria in the branch of the science which is known as bacteriology. The next is economics, which is one of the most practical branch that we use in our daily life. It is related with the production, consumption, and sometimes export, and also the transfer of the wealth. What it means? That means how much our country is growing any of the product or any of the food material or any of the product, doesn't matter the food product or the cash crop, okay. Sometimes we are growing rubber, we are growing coffees, teas, cotton, wheat, rice, okay, many type of crops we are growing. So those are used by the country and some are exported also. So how much we are producing, how much we are sending, and how much we are earning from that, whether that will be the scarcity according to this amount or not. Suppose your father is earning, so how much he is earning, how much he is spending, how much he is expensing, and whatever amount of money he is saving, that decide the position, the financial position of your family. In the same way, our country also keep records of the production and consumption of the goods, okay, so that it can analyze our country, whether there will be the lack of something or not. Okay, so these all things are related to the economics. Now next is neurology, which is the study of the nervous system. You all are knowing our nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, nerves used to receive the messages, it's sent to the brain, and again brain sent to the spinal cord, and a spinal cord sent to the nerves. So these three parts are involved in the neurology. So neurology is that science, okay, that deals with this. Why this is important? Because sometimes whenever we are suffering from any of the diseases, so it can, who is studying neurology, they can find and they can diagnose, and they can also do the treatment. Okay, if they will not study, how they will recognize? So to recognize the different type of diseases which is related to the nerves is related to the neurology, and the doctor who are studying about this is known as neurologist. Okay, the next is radiology, which deals about the X-ray. Look, some of the part in our body are not visible from the outside. If you are going to the doctor, they are also not sure about that. Okay, so for that they need clear image what actually the problem is, so that they can do the treatment according to that. Okay, and there are many of the part in our body that need to give the X-ray report. Okay, you must have seen the X-ray report. In that only the internal part is visible on the black sheet. Okay, by seeing this, the doctors are recognizing the actual problem in our body, and they are treating at the initial stage of the disease, and that is very very good for us. So this radiology was very good invention, and it is very very useful in our daily life also. Next is a study of viruses, which is one of the most important topic in this video, we can say, because we all are knowing we are going through the pandemic condition nowadays. Okay, and that is only due to the virus. Okay, you all are knowing coronavirus. So corona is the name, but actually that is the virus, and every virus is having the same shape as you can see on the picture, and it is made up of the RNA. Okay, RNA you will study about this in higher classes, but for now just understand there is a substance which is present in the virus, and every virus is having the different capability. Okay, and the different effect. If they are entering in our body, there is a different type of impact on our body. Some are bad and some are very very bad. Okay, so these viruses, about these viruses, how much they are problematic. Okay, what will be the solution of this virus? Okay, all these studies are related to the virology. Now one very practical example I am giving. In the initial, when the corona came in our society, even the researcher were also not able to find which type of corona is, which type of virus is this, and what are the symptoms and how it can be controlled over that. But the researcher, we can say researcher, has studied about this, and after that they have given so many information about the coronavirus. Now how they have given? With the help of this virology. They are studying about the virus and they are giving the information about the viruses. So we can say in a simple sentence, a study of viruses is known as virology. Next is agronomy. Okay, agronomy is the science that deals with the technology of producing and using the plant in the agriculture. That means which type of plant, how the plant should be grown. Okay, there are the different type of plants, and every plant there is a different way to grow the plant. Some plants can grow with the seed, some can grow with the stem, and some can grow with the different way. So how we can grow more and more plant, this agronomy deals with that. Okay, how we can increase our production, that deals that all have discussed in the agronomy. It also deals with the pesticides and insecticides. That means which type of pesticide is good for which type of plant, so that we can cure our plant. Suppose we are growing the coconut tree, or we are growing the rice, okay, and it is not growing very nicely. So we must know about that plant, how we can increase the growth, and which type of insecticide and pesticide I have to use for the particular plant. These all things are related with the agronomy. Next is chemotherapy. chemotherapy, you must have heard this name, which is always related to the cancer. Cancer is the most dangerous, okay, it is a dangerous disease, and sometimes the poor people are not able to cure that. Okay, cancer is the disease which is due to the abnormal growth of the cells. With the cells, our body is made up of the cells, and the abnormal growth of these cells tends to cancer. Okay, and that cancer is treated with a different chemical substance. These chemical substance are injected in our body with the help of the needle. So this is known as chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is the way of treating the person with the help of different type of chemical substance. These chemical substance are given to our body so that our treatment could be there. The next is pomology, that deals with the growth of the fruit. You all are knowing the apple cannot be grown in Bihar. Okay, it always grow in the Jammu Kashmir or the north of the India. Why? Because every fruit need the different type of climate, different type of nutrients. Okay, so this pomology deals with the growth of the fruit, which type of fruit should be grown in which type of climate and area. Okay, so that we can grow more and more fruit. Also it deals with the nutrients, which type of nutrients is present in which type of fruit. Okay, next is otology. Otology is the study of ear and its diseases. Okay, simple, it is very simple to understand. If you are going to show your ear to the doctor, it is related to the otology. That means those person and that branch of the science that deals with the ear and the diseases related to the ear is known as otology. The last one is zoology. Okay, there are the different branches in the science. Basically in the science we are studying about the animal and plant. The plants are known as botany, whereas the study of the animal is known as zoology in the science. So in the science we used to study which type of animal is this and what are the breathing organ, how they used to survive in the different climate. Okay, how do we know this? After studying about these animals. So that branch of the science that deals with the study of the animals are known as zoology. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please only focus the branches of the science and the don't learn very much thing whatever I have written in this slides. Only learn what is the name of the branches of the different branches of the science. Okay, like a study of animal is zoology. The other thing that I have written on the slide, please ignore. Only learn the branches of the science. What is the name of the branches of the science? Only the name you have to learn. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be helpful to learn in a better way. Thank you.